guys, welcome back for another vlog. I haven't vlogged, it feels like I haven't vlogged in a long time. This morning I woke up early and washed my hair. I was supposed to film today, but I needed to wash my hair, you guys, so I took today off from filming over on my main channel. But it looks like I still have product in my hair, but it just looks like that. You won't see that once it dries. So I just finished twisting my hair and that is done. The kids are still doing their virtual learning, so they should be done soon, but I have a few things to do today. So I'm gonna cook dinner early. I'm gonna get that out the way. I want to make some homemade dinner rolls. I haven't made them in a long time. I used to make them a lot back in the day, and I don't know why I stopped. I got lazy and I would just buy store-bought dinner rolls, which they were good anyway. But I'm going to do them again. I did it last night, and when I mixed the milk, it was hot. So when I added the yeast died. So the bread did not rise. So I will try it again today. And then I will bake some spaghetti because my daughter has been begging for some spaghetti, and I don't know what it is about spaghetti that kids absolutely love. She told me not to make it as a meatball. She just wanted regular spaghetti. Oh my god, kids. So I'll be doing that. I'll be cooking early. I have a few orders to tackle today as well. The Christmas rush has definitely started, so I have been busy every day. Yesterday I did 5 wreaths. I did so many wreaths that my fingers, by the end of doing them, they were pretty numb, like they hurt. So I don't have to do wreaths today. I just have to work more on some rolling pins. And then I just noticed the neighbor across the street came, like, she put her Christmas stuff out. So I decorated the house for Christmas, and but I didn't do anything outside. And normally we're always the first ones to come out with our Christmas decor, but she's a new neighbor, and you guys, her stuff is out. Like, it looks pretty. That means we need to come out with our stuff too, because normally we're always first, but we're so busy that we were kind of waiting till Thanksgiving to put our Christmas lights outside. So my husband's gonna take out the Christmas lights and stuff and work on that later on. Normally I love my Christmas lights. I used to do white lights, but now I do color lights. I like it better for outside. I used to love white lights, but then the kids, they wanted color lights, and then I would drive by. Sorry you guys, my hands have been hurting from making all those wreaths. I have arthritis in my hands, and my hands hurt really bad. But anyway, what was I talking about? Anyway, we used to do white lights, but then I would drive by other people's houses, and they had the color lights, and I felt like that looked so much better. So ever since last year we started doing color lights, and after we did the after Christmas sale where we bought a few extra things to put outside the house, so we will be doing that for this year. So I'm so excited. I was trying to wait to put the lights out, so you know, didn't want to scare the neighbors, but I see one of them already came out with their stuff, so we slacking. But yeah, that's what we have to do today so far. So I will take you along throughout my day, and hopefully this is not boring for you guys. All right, you guys, so I just added the yeast in here. The milk and stuff is warm but not hot, so it tells us to wait 5 minutes, and then it should look like bubbly, you know. So let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see the difference. Let's hope and pray that it bubbles up and comes out right, y'all. It actually bubbled up this time, so I did it perfectly. I'm so excited. Now let's get to making bread. So it asks for you to let the bread rise for a few minutes, like 15 minutes. But I think I'm gonna let it rise a little longer than that. So what I'm gonna do is use my kitchen towel, which is clean, by the way. and I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it and just leave it in the microwave because it's nice and closed, not turn it on or anything. So that's what I'm gonna do, and just put it in there. Let me take this out and just leave it in there closed, and we'll check back in and let's hope it rises. So I'm getting ready to make myself some tea. So this is my first time trying the white chocolate peppermint, and I showed this in my grocery haul last time. So I'm about to try this out to see. I got, if you hear a noise, that's from the water kettle thing. We're using my Believe mug. As a matter of fact, my friend Shanti was the one who sent this to me last year, and it's the only green Christmas mug that I have. And it's actually my favorite. So I am going to try this one and see how that one tastes. I'm pretty sure it tastes good. This apron, I know, because I know I'm going to get asked. I got this apron from Hobby Lobby, and I think they still have this there. So around this time, I love using my apron. I should get me another one to use year round. But I love aprons.
David makes me one though.
Oh yeah?
Because he's done with his class.
Oh yeah?
Devin doesn't really know how to make sandwiches that good.
How do you know Devin doesn't know how to make sandwiches that good?
He said he didn't make good sandwiches.
He says he doesn't make good sandwiches because he doesn't want to make you a sandwich. Did you think of that?
Oh.
Destiny can eat sandwiches all day, you guys. Oh my gosh. She has her brother David make her sandwiches all the time. But the oldest one, Devin, he told her he doesn't know how to make sandwiches. And she believes him. Alright y'all, so the dough definitely rose. So basically it asks for you to punch it down and make little balls of bread and then cover it back up and let it rise again. Okay, you guys, so I sat down for a little bit to drink my tea while the rolls rose. I don't know why I wanted to make bread so bad, but you guys, I had a sip of the tea. It actually does taste like chocolate. So it's white chocolate peppermint, and it tastes like chocolate and peppermint. I mean, it's tea, so I didn't think it would taste like chocolate. I don't know if that makes sense, but it actually tastes like chocolate. Oh my god, that's good. If you haven't tried this tea, definitely check it out. It definitely tastes like white chocolate peppermint, exactly what it says. It tastes so good. So once I finish doing dinner, Destiny and I are gonna tackle some virtual learning, some of her classwork, because you know they do the 2 hours of live classes, but then they also have a bunch of schoolwork to do. And today is Thursday, so she only has today to do that kind of stuff, and then tomorrow she only has, like, she has 2 hours of iReady, 1 reading, 1 math, and then we're free for Thanksgiving break. Y'all, I need a break from virtual learning so bad. Like, I need a break from it. And if I feel like I need a break from it, I'm pretty sure my kids feel the same way. But like the whole thing, I just need a break from it. We're struggling over here, but we're actually doing a lot better than we were doing a few weeks ago. So I'm looking forward to that. I was just sitting here thinking about, like, oh my god, I could get a break from virtual learning for at least a week. Yes. Okay, you guys, so I also wanted to show you guys our tumblers that we drink our hot cocoa from. We got these from the Dollar Tree. This one is mine. Y'all know I have this thing now for gnomes, but I think this one, it might be Destiny's. I'm not even sure. This one's my husband, and I gotta figure out which one is which for the boys. Or this one might be the boys. Oh, because of the cupcake. So this one might be Destiny's. Who cares? Anyway, if you're looking for tumblers, Dollar Tree has them before they run out. It's only $1. I wanted a cups like this for every time that we drunk hot cocoa, like that we didn't have to use the disposable ones. We just drink out of these, and it's a nice big old size cup, so we could drink a big cup of hot chocolate. Alright y'all, so the bread is nice. Let me see if I can, okay, there you can see it better. So the bread is nice and fat, and oops, that's about to roll over. And now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. I don't know why I'm so excited about making bread. Let me see. Uh-oh, I see a problem. Put the thing up. The rack back up. Hold on. Okay. Alright. It says 15 minutes. These rolls came out so good. Not to mention, my house smells like fresh bread. Like, it smells like a bakery, you guys. Y'all, so I am outside. I just added our Christmas wreath. This hanger came from Walmart. Actually, this is my 3rd year using the same Christmas tree, not Christmas tree, sorry, the wreath, because it came from Walmart. I didn't make this one, but I love this one. I think it was maybe $25, but I bought it in after Christmas sale like 3 years ago. But I absolutely love it. Y'all, so this is the mat that I used last year, and I got this from Kirkland, so I don't even know if they still have it. So we'll open the door for Santa and cookies. This lantern came from Walmart. I bought it last year for after Christmas sale. And this tree, we've had it for 3 years now, and I do not know where I got it from. And right here on my windows, I have these little wreaths that I got from the Dollar Tree. So you guys, I came in the house real quick to upload Sunday's video for my main channel. I am uploading a cleaning music playlist, which is something that has been asked from me for a long time. I didn't know how to go about doing it, exactly what to do, but I put a bunch of my favorite cleaning music songs that I like to use in my cleaning videos, and just did like a whole run through of them for like an hour. And there's quite a few songs that I like. My type of music style is, I don't like the hype type music, if that makes sense, like the stuff that's like gets me rattled. I like more calming R&B style music. So that's what I like to add into my cleaning videos. And most of the time I get asked the names of the songs all the time and stuff like that. So this time what I did was I did an hour-long video, and I just put it all in one video with the title of the song and the artist of the song. And then when you're cleaning and just want something to listen to in the background, all you gotta do is play my that music playlist in the background, and all the songs are right there. So that will be Sunday's video. I'm just waiting for that to upload. It takes a long time. And then I gotta do the title, description box, and the whole bang. It takes me a long time though. So my husband's outside. I had to put a cardigan on. Outside putting the lights on while I came in here and do this. The kids are also eating dinner. I was also working on the rolling pins. I had to do the letters and stuff on them, and then do the ribbons so I could have those shipped out tomorrow. You guys, there's not a time where I am not working. I'm always doing something. Very rarely do I do nothing. I need a break. No, not really, because when I get a break, I complain about the fact that I'm bored. So I don't know what to do with myself if I get a break. But that's what I'm doing right now. Plus, making that playlist kind of gives me a break from filming a cleaning video. Sometimes you need a break, so that will help me out. So I hope the video does well, because if not, I would do that more often here and there. Maybe I should do like a Christmas music playlist for this channel or something like that. I don't know. That'd be a great idea. Something that you could just play Christmas music and stuff. I could listen to Christmas music all day. I think I've been listening to Christmas music since October. It's an hour-long video, so it's gonna take forever to upload. Y'all, this mama tired. Oh, and as y'all can see, you don't see the product anymore in my hair. That's because it dried out. You don't really see that anymore. But I can't wait to show y'all the lights outside once my husband. It's freezing cold outside, but this is what it looks like so far. My husband's working hard over there. I'm about to show you. So we got some lights around the windows and stuff, in the bushes. There's a few more things we gotta do. He's still working. He might finish today, he might finish tomorrow. So you guys, I am back inside. I'm still trying to upload this video because of the fact that it's an hour long. It's taking forever. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I hope you did. I try to show you guys kind of, you know, what I do throughout the day. But it's been so much I can show y'all, because at the end of the day, I really don't leave the house like that. We barely leave the house. I am a homebody. I love being home. So it's been so much I do at home, which is a lot. But at the same time, you know, I really don't go hardly nowhere. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys.